Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. This time I would like to share about extra dim feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is one of my favorite features and how to enable it. Actually, it's an old feature that you can also find in other Samsung Galaxy S series phone. Well, when extra dim feature is on, you can set your phone to dim the screen beyond the minimum brightness settings on your phone for more comfortable viewing. Moreover, when you are using your phone at night in a low light environment, or if your eyes are sensitive to light like me. For me, this dimmer screen is way easier for my eyes. That's why not only I use this feature at night, but also almost the entire day except the time when I need to use a regular screen brightness, like when I need to do screen recording or record a video like this. But this feature usually stays on my phone. To enable extra dim feature, you need to go to the setting menu by swiping to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap the gray on offset next to extra dim until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To adjust its setting so that it will fit with your need, tap extra dim. Here you can adjust extra dim intensity by sliding the adjustment bar below intensity to the right to increase the dimness intensity of the extra dim, or slide it to the left to decrease the dimness intensity of the extra dim. While in this menu, you can also enable or disable turn off after restart option by tapping the on off switch next to this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will turn off extra dim feature after you restart your phone. Another one, if you like using this feature, you can enable shortcut for easier access. To do so, tap the gray on off switch next to extra dim shortcut until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now tap extra dim shortcut and then select the desired shortcut you like to use. There are 3 shortcuts available. First, tap accessibility button. You can enable this shortcut so you can easily enable or disable extra dim by tapping the accessibility button and then tap extra dim. Second, press side and volume up buttons. You can enable this shortcut so you can enable or disable extra dim feature by using this button combination. Third, press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. You can enable this shortcut so you can easily enable or disable extra dim feature by using this button combination. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.